morning, YouTube. So today I'm heading to work. I reached my goal last time of reaching 15 ounces. I wanted to pump 15 ounces last video because Zoe drinks 12. So I wanted to do 15 so I could start building a stash even while working full time and breastfeeding my 4-month-old. So last time I did reach 15 ounces and I was so happy and so proud of myself. Even though it was just like an extra 3 ounces, it was like, I can do this. I can build a stash even while I'm away working. So, and it does involve pumping at home, but I mean, it's just, I know for me personally, like if I want to breastfeed Zoe as long as I can, I'm not just going to pump at work. Like that's just not what's going to happen. I pump at work, I pump while she's napping, I pump if she's taking like a really long time in between feedings. I just pump whenever I can. So today I would like to see if I could reach 17 ounces because I also have some lactation cookies and I know that they're working. They're by the brand Munchkin. I think they're just called Munchkin lactation cookies. So I'll bring you guys along with me again to work today so you can see what I do. And we'll see if I can hit 17 ounces today. And I feel like I can, and I'm already so excited. So just come along with me, y'all. Okay, I just got my lunch and I'm in the lactation room right now. And there's this little table right here. I'm gonna try and eat a little bit, pump a little bit, eat a little bit, pump a little bit, and we'll see how much I get. Lunch does not look that appetizing today, but I'm just having some meatloaf, corn, and broccoli rice casserole with another large bottle of water. So, and I also have my lactation cookies in there. Okay. So unfortunately, I have to stop here. I have this 6-ounce bag, and then I just have like 1 more ounce in here. And I could keep going, but my break is ending, and I need to get back. Okay, so Right now is actually my, I want to say, third pumping break today. I made it work because I went at lunchtime, and then I went when I had a little break. Well, it just got kind of slow in the OR for just a little bit, and so I pumped again, and now I'm done with all of my cases, and I pumped again. Hey guys, so it's 3 o'clock and I'm heading home now. I'm super proud of myself because I pumped 13 ounces at work only today. Like normally I pump 6 at work and that's it, and I try and pump the rest like for, you know, during the evening. So I got 13 ounces at work alone. So now I just have to get my last 4 ounces, and this is just extra now. I just want to see if I can reach my goal. So I'm just going to get the last 4 ounces wherever I can when I'm at home, probably when Zoe is taking a nap or if she takes a long time in between feedings. I'll try to get the last 4 ounces, and I will let you guys know when that happens. And I guess hopefully in a couple days I can raise it to like 19, 20 ounces. I don't know. We'll see. Also, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to drink some more water right now. I feel pretty empty right now. I think I got everything out that I could possibly get at work. So I'm feeling kind of low. So I'm going to drink the rest of my water so that my milk production can, you know, get a little jump start. And then by the time I reach Zoe, I can have some milk to feed her. And then I'll drink again, probably while I'm breastfeeding, so that I can have more milk being produced for me to pump it out. So there's that. So I'm back. When I got home, I crashed because I did not have my coffee today. So since I had a headache, I just decided to take a nap. So I didn't pump immediately when I got home, but once I woke up, I did pump. I got an additional 2 ounces, which means I have 2 more ounces to go. I just ate dinner and I'm about to drink some water, so maybe in another 30 minutes, I would say, maybe I can have my last 2 ounces. And once I do, I will come back and show you guys. These last 4 ounces have been so difficult to get, but I'm at 3 right now, so I only have 1 more ounce to get. It's going on 10 o'clock, so I'm hoping at some point within the next hour or hour and a half I can just get it so I can relax and go to sleep. I think this is the hard part about trying to increase your supply. You really like pushing your body to make more milk or tricking your body into thinking that it needs to make more milk. A few days ago when I did my 15-ounce goal, it was just like this. It took me forever to get the last half ounce, and now that I'm trying to do 17, it's the same thing. I got 15 easy this time, and now getting these last couple of ounces, like I'm really having to push myself again. And also this one right here, of course I feed her first if she's hungry, so I just let her have what she wants, and if I go empty again, I just wait until the next time that I can pump. But she seems to be good right now, so I'm hoping that like when my milk comes in again, I can just pump that and she'll be asleep. We'll see. It is 10:39 and I finally got my last 4 ounces, and I'm so proud of myself. I look crazy right now, but whatever. Like, I'm sure y'all understand. But I finally got my last 4 ounces. So I did reach my goal today of hitting 17 ounces. So I'm going to try and keep up 17 ounces for a couple of days, and then I will come back and try to move to 18 or 19 ounces. So make sure you guys stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.